Hi everyone. Right, so basically got this Yamaha go-kart in. It's an old go-kart now, old engine. Basically it come in, apparently it ran, but when it come in it wouldn't start. I had to do a few jobs on it. I'm still working on it. One of the main things I've had to do is sort the wiring out. As you'll see in another video, the wiring's a mess. Multiple wires just twisted together. It's soldered, but it was taped around it. Basically, yeah, you'll see for yourselves, it was a right nightmare. The wiring, basically, the wire, instead of just one color wire going up, it basically been chopped and resoldered. It was all different color wires in there. It was just a right mess. The original wiring diagram for this was basically irrelevant. There was that many different things that's been removed and bypassed and messed about with. Basically, it was no good. So I've had to go through the wiring on this, sort it out myself, basically make my own sort of diagrams so I can understand things, and then yeah, I've been able to put it together. This is how I've got it now so far. I say I'm still waiting on a three-way toggle switch to turn up, so I can basically sort out the original sort of switch panel, as you'll see here now. So that's the original one, but as you can see, the wires have come desoldered from it, and it's a bit bulky to put on a cart. So yeah, I say I've run the wiring up into the box already. So when the new toggle switch comes up, I'll run the wiring tidy coming up, and we'll fit it up on the NASA panel. This is all tidy. But yeah, I say if you compare this to the state it was in when it came in, this is massively better. We've had to replace the starter relay as well. I think it's going to want a new battery too. It doesn't really hold charge for long. Now I was going to sleeve all this so it looks neater again, but what I didn't want to do is I sleeve it all, and then next thing you know, further down the line, the live cable or the earth cable needs replacing, and you've got to pull it all out. It's just, yeah, it'd be more of a headache. So I've sort of done it. So it's tidy enough. It can be disconnected easy enough. Say plug up by the coil, and then it can just be pulled out, and it can all be taken off nice and easy. As you can see here, it's the carburetor on it. So this carburetor is for a similar type engine. So just trying to get it work best I can with this engine. Basically, I try and get it set up best I can. Got a oil catch can. I've basically got to mount it, shorten all the pipes. So that's to just connect it up just to try it. The brake pads. So I had a set of brake pads to fit on it, but they wasn't 100% the right ones. Basically, they didn't fit. So I've had to basically cut bits off and shave them down, but it fits, it's all bolted on, it's safe to use. They're absolutely fine brakes work. I still got to bleed the brakes, just waiting for some brake fluid to be dropped off. But yeah, sort of get in there with it. This is the Yamaha engine, 250cc 4-stroke. I think the power is about 20 horsepower, I think, or maybe 30. I'd have to double check. See, it's had a custom stainless steel exhaust made up. It's car's sort of wedged aside of it, so I can't really pull it out. Just show you guys. But yeah, you can tell it's an older one, but sort of get in there, bring it back to life. Yeah, hopefully get it gone, because this one's been a massive headache, especially when it comes to sorting the wiring out. Just trying to figure out why people have done what they did with it. But have a look at the other video, and you'll just see the state it was in. But it's getting there.